Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming authorization and power. Make sure you have manager permission and your employee badge visible. Once done, approach the designated keycard reader near the office or control panel. This is where the system expects input. Swipe the card with the magnetic strip or chip facing the indicated arrow and hold steady for 1 second to register. You do this to trigger shift, login, and unlock restricted functions. If the display shows a prompt, follow it immediately to move into the next step. Once the reader accepts your swipe, authenticate with your PIN or biometric prompt so the system links actions to your account. After authentication, select the night shift role on the terminal and confirm the scheduled time block. This assigns the appropriate permissions and logging. Next, run quick checks. View CCTV camera feeds, cycle ride control power, and test alarm interlocks to ensure safety systems are active. You do these checks now to prevent interruptions during the shift and to prove systems are properly configured. To finish, complete the shift start checklist on screen and log any anomalies so the next person knows the status. This finalizes your session and records accountability. Once everything reads normal, lock the terminal session and secure any spare keycards in the designated safe to prevent misuse. If the reader fails to register the card, try reorienting the card and swiping again. If that fails, reboot the reader and then notify the manager. These steps isolate hardware issues and keep the facility secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.